Hello, hello. I just got my Sketchbox in the mail. So let's see what we have here. First thing is a little watercolor book. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Well, come over here. Yep. You somebody heard me open the box and guess who's here? Yeah, there's no candy. Still no candy. I should go get some candy so you leave me alone when I open these. I'm encouraging bad behavior from you, aren't I? Yeah, these are scissors. He thinks because they're the loops that they're toys. Yeah. Okay, screw it. I'll do that later. Yes, this is a scissor. Okay. Hold on a sec. We have a water brush. We have Copic. This is... Okay, hold on. Let's figure this out. It is a very tiny one in a gray color. Warm gray. A Faber-Castell. This is very soft. Walnut brown. A little Sketchbox signature palette. Ooh, that's a lot of colors. That's a lot of colors. And then we have the sticker. No candy, sweetie, no candy. So the artwork is very pretty. I like this one a lot. Anyway, we have our thingy. It says what everything is. I guessed it all right. Yeah, this is a cute little book. Now I went from having no sketchbooks to having a million sketchbooks. I guess I gotta do a picture. At least it's bigger than like that little dinky thing we had last time. Oh boy. Yep, I gotta get some water for a water brush. I know you're disappointed, sweetheart. It's okay. I'm actually getting the Scrawler box for this month, but because it's a long way to ship, I haven't got it yet. Ugh. It's a weird shaped water brush. I got a bunch of water brushes. Good. It's just not for details. They're very good though. Okay, we got that. We got that. I don't know if this is water soluble. Is it? Yes. Watercolor pencil. And this is waterproof. What's up? This month's prompt is explore. It's 8:45 in the morning and it's 86 degrees out. In case you're wondering why I never do plein air. So the streets are designed to carry the water into these things. They get filled up every time it rains, which is not very often. And then it all goes downstream into a reservoir. So that's how they keep the neighborhoods from flooding. But they're really cool places to explore. The only problem is that there's a lot of homeless people in Arizona. Not as many in my neighborhood, but in other neighborhoods, this is where they like to live. So hopefully there's nobody here, because I don't want to wake anybody up. And the 3 on the left goes straight through. You can see the other side. The other one does not, though. It turns, goes underneath this major road here. And this is where people like to live. And a lot of high school kids hang out here. Yeah, we are underneath a major road right now. 6 lanes of traffic. Look. I don't know what the hell that was. Look. And we're gonna come out the other side. Most people don't even know this place exists. Very short, by the way. I got a duck to walk through it. Here we are on the other side. Oh, we have some pretty purple cactus here. I love purple cactus. Look at that beauty. And there's mountains. Got mountains all around here. They have no trees on them. Bunch of cactus and bushes. So, look how tall these things are. They don't look that tall in pictures, but they're really tall. Look at this bee. These things are edible when they ripen. Kind of tastes like a cross between a lemon and a mango. Yeah. More pretty flowers. I just don't like drawing flowers, but I like taking pictures of them. There's a bird. Birds are not happy with me. These things are cool. That little fuzzballs all over them. Flowers here. Hey, look, sandbags. Obviously didn't work very well. Yeah, this gets pretty deep here. Definitely not a place to go when it's raining. Don't underestimate the power of the water here, because it will wipe you away or wipe your car away, and people have drowned. It hasn't rained in probably 2 months.
at least a month. It was a really rainy winter though, so it's okay. But I think it's been at least a month since it last rained, and it was just a sprinkle. Can't go here at night either because the coyotes are really bad. Yep, back here. See a coyote probably once a week back here. And they eat neighborhood pets. Oh, what the hell that was? I'll have to look at the video later. Oh, a hummingbird. These things look cool. Little buzzes. Ow! Shit! Oh god. Ugh. That's not a nail. Look at that thing. He's just in my shoe. That's just this place. Ow. Told you it's thorns. Jesus Christ, look at that sucker. Oh, these are mesquite trees. These little pods. Okay, now I'm going home. So I've done my swatching. These lift back up pretty good. This water brush is nice. So see, it's almost back to white. Paper's holding up pretty good. This is the watercolor pencil here. And then the Copic is as permanent as described. I didn't try the white because it's white. Let me see if I can layer it. I doubt it. Oh, I can a little bit, see? Wet on dry. Okay, so for what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use, let me move this up a little bit. My inspiration, these are all the pictures I took. And there is my video. Where's my videos? Oh, hold on, be careful how far back I go, because some of this might not be PG-13. Just plain. Here. No, not that one. I think this one. So I might use that bridge. How do I fast forward? Whoops, not that one. Fast forward, fast forward, fast forward. So I think I might use this as a starting point, but it's not very pretty, as you can see. It's pretty ugly, to be honest. So I use this as a starting point, and then I'm gonna add some of the flowers and the cactus in the front to make it look prettier. We can make beauty out of it. We can find some beauty in this. We'll figure it out. Gotta make the world look prettier than it is, right?
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. We could try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. Yeah, we could try. Hey, I think I'm into you. You made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Yeah. Wanna get in close with you. Made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Down. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get in close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. We could try. You make me wanna put my roots down. You make me wanna put my roots down. Try. Yeah, we could try. Let me wanna put. I put my roots in it down. Let me wanna put. I put my roots in it down. Let me wanna put. I put my roots in it down. Let me wanna put. I put my roots in it down.
Here is my finished piece. As you can see, I took a lot of liberties in making it a little more pretty, but you still got the general idea of where I got my inspiration from. This was nice. This is nice. I made a mess of this, but this is a great little set. Like, I have to say, this is a great little watercolor set. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little piece here. And have a great day.